The X-Bull Series Winch offers a strong pulling capacity of 5,000 pounds, driven by a powerful 12-volt pure copper motor, making it ideal for heavy-duty recovery tasks. This winch is designed to withstand harsh environments with its waterproof IP68 rating, ensuring protection against water, dust, and debris for reliable operation in extreme conditions. You can operate this winch with precision using either the wired or wireless remote controls, which include overload protection for enhanced user safety. Its compact size and universal mounting brackets make installation quick and easy on a variety of vehicles, while the durable matte black finish with red accents adds a professional touch. The X-Bull Series Winch is versatile enough for use in ATV and UTV recovery, boat trailer positioning, and off-grid setups, meeting the needs of both commercial and recreational users. Built with industrial-grade materials, this winch delivers dependable performance across various applications, including forestry, agriculture, and overlanding adventures.